Are you facing Apple ID verification failed? An unknown error occurred on your Mac Mini M1, M2, M3, or M4? This usually happens because of network issues, outdated macOS, or problems with Apple servers. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Apple ID verification failed error on your Mac Mini. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you're typing the correct Apple ID email and password. Your Wi-Fi is working properly. Open Safari and check a web page. If the internet is slow, try switching to another network or restarting your router. After this, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change DNS. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the top menu. Next, click on Wi-Fi settings. Then click on Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Now click on DNS from the right sidebar. Click on the plus icon under the DNS server option. Now enter 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. Then click on the empty place in the server box. Then again, click on the plus icon. Now enter 8.8.4.4 or 1.0.0.1 and then click OK. Now restore your Mac and then try to log into iCloud again. Solution 2. Check Apple's system status. Open up the Safari or Chrome browser. Then search the Apple System Status page. Next, click on the Support System Status URL. Now check if Apple ID has an outage. Then you need to wait until it's resolved. If you see that all the options are green marked, then you need to understand that Apple's system server is working perfectly. Solution 3. Check date and time. Go to the Settings app on your Mac Mini. Next, select the General option. Now scroll down, click on Date and Time. Now enable Set Date and Time automatically. Solution 4. Check Software Update. Open up the settings, then tap General, next tap Software Update. If you see any updates available, then install them. Hope your problem is solved by now. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.